This is our red-tailed hawk flute in the key of G minor. It's in our traditional series and it's made out of Spanish cedar. It is a 6-hole flute, although it looks like a 5-hole flute because we do put a leather tie in a 3rd hole from the top. And when you get ready to play as a 6-hole flute, just slide it off or take it off altogether. And here's what it sounds like. Spanish cedar is a softwood, so it has a really nice, warm, just full sound to it. We also make this flute in the Spanish cedar and the key of G minor with turquoise inlay. We use turquoise cabochons and inlay them into the flute. And they both have the same voice.